it's really frustrating when you've sown a lot of seed, the seedlings have grown well, it comes to planting out lovely sturdy small plants and everything's really set back. If instead of using standard cells or trays or pots, you have a go with root trainers, extraordinary little things that fold out like this. There's the deep version, rapid version and other sizes which will allow you to sow the seed in the top. You simply click them together like that, fill with compost, then slot them into this carrier tray here, and because you've got gaps along the base, it means that you get an air pruning effect. And what that's going to do is ensure that you have a really fantastic deep root system. So rather than having a whole mass of roots which are close to the surface, the roots are actually being guided down by these little channels inside the root trainer, and you'll get lots of root growth nice and deep. Then on contact with the air, it'll stop them growing, so they won't keep growing round and round and become pot bound, which of course is a really bad way to start life if you're a small plant. Root systems like this are really easy to achieve, and that means that you can plant everything out and there's very little root disturbance, so there's very little check in growth, if at all. They're perfect for a whole range of plants. You can use the rapid ones for just about anything. If you need something with a slightly longer, more intense root system, classic examples are something like a sweet pea, or again with beans, then use the deep one, or even one of the longer sizes you can use for something like a hardwood cutting or even a semi-ripe cutting. You can root those and you'll get a very well formed root system that goes much deeper and much more intense growth than you would if you tried to do the same in open ground or in a pot. It's a perfect way to start your plants off.